Let me show you a couple of ways to deal with duplicates. In this example here, I've got three duplicates, customer H and D and C. It's the same order number and the same value, so it's just a duplicate. The first thing you might want to do before you remove them is actually find them in the first place. So if you want to check for duplicates, probably the easiest way to do that is just to go into conditional formatting. So if I highlight my information here, I'm in the Home tab, conditional formatting, drop down, highlight cell rules, and then look for duplicate values. So that will bring them up for you to have a look at. You could then sort them. Let's say you want to bring them up to the top of your data set so you can decide what to do. Let's go into data and then sort. We're going to sort by, doesn't really matter what field because they're all highlighted, but let's go for order number. And if you change to cell color and it's been conditionally formatted, then you can actually search by that color there. So click on there, click on OK, and that's all the customers and the duplicates, and then you can decide what you want to do. Now, if you want to delete your duplicates permanently, go into data, and then we're going to go to remove duplicates. I've just made a copy of the original data set so you can see what's going to happen. So what we can do here is I'm going to highlight the information, remove duplicates. My data headers has been ticked and it has picked out the columns. I'm going to leave them all there. Click on OK. It's found three. Click on OK, and that's it been removed. So there's also a function that can help with duplicates. It's called the unique function. So I'm in cell K1 just by typing equals and just start typing the word unique, and you'll see it comes up. Double click on that. It is looking for an array, so essentially it's going to pull out all the unique records. So by default, it will not include any duplicates. So I'm just going to highlight my original data set and all the values there, like that. Click on enter, that's all you have to do there, and then you'll see again it has found the unique values only and the duplicates are gone. So just a couple of ways of dealing with duplicates in Excel.